Hi, Namaste to everyone. Welcome back to our DL Educational channel. Today I will explain integers chapter word problems. Following number line shows the temperature in the degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. This is the number line. On the number line, some places are located from the 0 left side negative numbers, right side are positive numbers. Two places are located negative on the negative numbers. Three places are located on positive numbers, on the positive numbers. So this is the question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Observe the number line and write the temperature. What is the temperature of given places? Located places. What is the temperature of located places? So first one is Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degree. Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degree centigrade. And Srinagar. Where is Srinagar? Near minus 2 degree centigrade. And Shimla. Shimla is 5 degree centigrade. And Ooty. Ooty is 14 degree centigrade. Bangalore 22 degree centigrade. This is the first question. Temperature of the places. Next question B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest? Temperature of different places. Here Bangalore, very hottest place Bangalore. Here 22 degree centigrade temperature is there. So this is hottest place. This is the least temperature. This is Lahul Spiti. Now find these two places temperature. Bangalore is 22 degrees, Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degree centigrade. So now find the difference. 22 degrees, difference means subtraction, then minus 8 degree centigrade. 22, write as is, then minus into minus plus, then both are plus signs. So we can add it. 22 plus 8, 32. 32 degree centigrade. This is the difference of hottest and coldest places. What is the temperature of difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Lahul Spiti Srinagar temperature is minus 8 degree centigrade. Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade. Now find the difference of both places. Minus 8 degrees as it is, then we subtract. Now keep the minus symbol, then Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade. Now minus 8 as it is, then minus into minus plus 2, there is opposite symbols. So minus 8 plus 2. Now subtract. Big number minus small number. 8 minus 2, 6. The big number sign is minus, so we can write the minus symbol. Next one is question D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? It is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. Now question, what is the question? Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Taken together means add. Both are add, both places. Srinagar temperature and Shimla temperature. Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade. Shimla is 5 degree centigrade. Both are add. Minus 2 plus 5. So symbols are opposite. Then big number minus small number. 5 minus 2, 3. big symbol is plus, so here plus. That is the answer. Now together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Less than, together answer is 3 degrees centigrade. Then this is less than the Shimla temperature. So 3 degrees centigrade is less, Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade. So 3 degrees centigrade is less than the 5 degrees centigrade. So the answer is less than the Shimla. So first question statement is correct. And next one is, it is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. It is also, it is means 3 degrees centigrade. Answer is 3 degrees centigrade. It is less than the Srinagar. Less than the temperature of Srinagar. Srinagar minus 2 degrees centigrade. So this is less than Srinagar temperature. This is wrong. The statement is wrong. This answer is greater than Srinagar. So 3 degrees centigrade is greater than minus 2 degrees centigrade. First question is correct, but second question is wrong. Let us go to the second one. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Joke's scores were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Here Joke's scores are given. Positive marks are for correct answers. Negative marks are incorrect answers. So in 5 squares, 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. What is the total? 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So now positive numbers are side by side, right? And negative numbers are side by side, right? Now 25, 15 plus 10. 45, 10, 50. 10 minus 5, 15. 50 minus 15, 35. Let us go to the third one. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees centigrade on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? So here first question, there are two questions included in this question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees centigrade. This is the Monday temperature. And Tuesday temperature is 2 degrees centigrade dropped. 2 degrees centigrade drop it. So what was the Tuesday temperature? There is not given Tuesday temperature. That is 2 degrees dropped from the Monday temperature. So Srinagar's temperature on Monday minus 5 degrees centigrade. Srinagar's temperature on Tuesday 2 degrees dropped. Dropped means reduce, tagindi. Temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. What is the Tuesday temperature? Then minus 5 degrees, reduce it. So minus 2. Minus 5, minus 2, minus 7 degree centigrade. On Tuesday, the temperature is minus 7 degree centigrade. Then Srinagar temperature on Wednesday. Wednesday, what is on Wednesday? It rose by 4 degrees centigrade. 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? Tuesday minus 7 degrees centigrade. Then from Tuesday temperature to Wednesday, rise 4 degrees centigrade. Rise means highest, increase. Then minus 7 degrees centigrade. This is rise. So add plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4. There is 3 answers. 7 minus 4, 3. Largest number symbol is minus. So here give the largest symbol sign. Let us go to the fourth one. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? This is the question. A plane is flying on the height of 5000 meters above the sea level. This is the sea level. So above the 5000 meters the plane will going. Then it is exactly above submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. Submarine. Here submarine exactly straight same time exactly below sea level, below 1200 meters inside of the sea. What is the vertical distance between them? So what is the vertical distance? Vertical means up to down. Then vertical distance from the plane to submarine, here to here. What is the distance? Then plane fly above the sea level 5000 meters. Submarine floating below sea level minus 1200 meters. Vertical difference here minus below sea level, so give the minus symbol. Vertical difference between them 5000. Now we subtract this minus, here minus 1200. So 5000 minus into minus plus 5000 plus 1200, 6200. Okay, thank you very much.